Dr. Pat says the drug works by activating what he calls natural killer cells that destroy cancer cells. So far, about 1,000 patients have participated in his trials, but the drug has only been FDA approved here to treat a specific kind of bladder cancer. And that's the problem. The doctor believes it will work for a lot of different cancers. Today, it was announced that the FDA in Saudi Arabia granted accelerated approval for Anktiva to be used in the treatment of not just bladder cancer, but lung cancer as well. It is the first approval of this drug for lung cancer anywhere in the world. So, why do we care? We're not in Saudi Arabia. Dr. Pat says, let me come on and explain, and he's here now. Dr. Pat, it's good to see you.
Good seeing you, Chris.
So why should people, well, why do you take this very seriously and believe it could have implications for us here at home?
Well, the why is really, I think there's now really significant proof, multiple trials, 10 years of work in which we've shown that this actually prolongs survival, whether it's breast cancer, lung cancer, and even pancreatic cancer, now glioblastoma. So this is a universal treatment, and that's the why. The how is because the National Cancer Institute predicted, I think as far back as 2012, that this molecule, IL-15, is the #1 molecule on their list that could cure cancer. This is their work. We've now developed this drug. It's approved. And it's approved, as you said, just for this minuscule treatment of bladder cancer. So the why is we have now, since not only your show, not 10,000, now it's up to 13,000 requests. So the Saudis said to me, we believe in this. They reviewed the data, and today they announced the approval for lung cancer.
And what will this mean? Does this mean that you'll be treating people in Saudi Arabia with lung cancer? Does it mean that you can go to Saudi Arabia and get this treatment for lung cancer? Because, yeah, as we discussed in the special, and you have said yourself many times, doctors can prescribe the drug off-label, but no one's going to pay for the treatment.
Yeah, so look, that's not, hopefully this could convince the current FDA that something invented in America should help Americans. However, you're right, patients coming to our clinic, we apply to the FDA one patient at a time, and that's why this is not possible. And sadly, now could fly to Saudi Arabia. Yeah, that's the practical reality of this.
So when you look at this, how do you balance the frustration? Because also, you know, to remind you, Dr. Pat is a billionaire, so it's not like this is a get-rich-quick scheme. He is the owner of the LA Times, and he's part owner of the LA Lakers and a lot of other companies. So he has a lot of success. But you are fixated on this, and how do you balance the enthusiasm that this opens up possibility against the reality that the FDA doesn't seem to want to budge?
Well, I think, thank you for saying that, right? Just, you know, the money spent to develop this drug over the last decade has been out of my pocket. This has not been, we've not received any government support, and that was never the intention. The idea was to find a way to cure cancer. This has been a life dream, and we are very close now. So the frustration is, do you go through this, whatever regulatory block? And it turns out that the Saudi FDA had very sophisticated scientific insight. They reviewed thousands of pages. Very quickly, they concluded that the problem is your immune system. If we can actually fix and maintain your immune system, give you what they called immune competence, we changed the paradigm in cancer and said, we want this for our nation. We're not going to follow the FDA, we want to be first. And the FDA obviously has had multiple chances of a drug that's already approved by the FDA to be the first. But, you know, I think on behalf of the Saudi nation, together with the Middle East, this is now approved first for lung cancer and bladder cancer. and they've offered that this will be approved for all other tumors as we proceed with this work now in Saudi Arabia.
Well, as I told you at the time, and I mean it, every step of the way, I'm with you. I believe in the potential, and I believe in the need for the discussion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.